One thing about Pastor Mboro, guys, this guy is living his life to the fullest. He doesn't care what anybody else is saying. He is just living his life, guys. And this guy was out on bail because he attacked the whole school just to get his grandchildren. And in that video, he was carrying amapanga, wanting to slice people. So as he got arrested, guys, there were like videos trending, people even made a song. Now, Kesan, he is out on bail dancing to this song. Mboro is out on bail dancing to this song, saying, Mina ngi one by 10, ngabaslicer. He's just having the time of his life. And I'm just worried, what if this thing is just jeopardizing the whole case in the father in jeopardy, because he is fun, he is such a vibe, but I'm worried if this goes to court, if they see these videos in court, they will see this person has no remorse about what he did. This person doesn't even feel sorry about what he did. He is just dancing and enjoying without feeling sorry about what he did, So yes, he is currently out on bail. I'm not sure if they are still doing investigations or they have set a new date for court, but he is currently out on bail, enjoying his life, dancing to his new song, Ukuthi Yena Angabaslicer. I'm just hoping the case won't be in jeopardy because of what he is doing. And, he is just having fun, guys, and not worrying about anything. Please like and subscribe. I will see you.